I'm Josh from Twisted Throttle, and today we are installing crash bars on the brand new Yamaha T7. If you're new here, check out our website at the link below, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great motorcycle content. Crash bars are a great way to protect your engine cases and fairings in the event of a crash or tip over. Crash bars can also absorb some vibration and may help reduce vibration in the foot pegs and handlebars. For this Yamaha T7, we chose to go with the SW-Motech upper and lower crash bars. Remove the lower screws of the side fairings, then loosen the upper screws. Remove the two indicated frame screws on each side of the bike. Cut the included rubber strip into two pieces roughly 40 millimeters long. Place the rubber strips inside of the clamps before attaching them to the frame. On the right side, you want the clamp to be about 75 millimeters from the center of the bolt head directly above to the upper edge of the clamp. Attach the right side crash bar to the bike using the supplied bolts in the original spacer. Do not tighten the bolts just yet. Reattach the right side fairing. Attach the clamp to the left side of the frame. You want the clamp to be about 120 millimeters from the center of the bolt head directly above to the upper edge of the clamp. Attach the crossbar to the clamps. Attach the left side crash bar to the bike. Do not fully tighten the bolts yet. Attach the crash bars to the crossbar. Once all the bolts are started, you can begin tightening the bolts to the specified torque. For all the bolts we install, be sure to use liquid thread locker. Loctite 243 works perfect for this application. Remove the bolts under the headlight and install the mounting brackets. Do not tighten the bolts yet. Place the rubber strips inside the clamps and bolt the clamps to the lower crash bars. Do not tighten the bolts yet. Insert the plastic plugs into the end of the crash bars. Attach the upper crash bars to the mounting brackets and the lower crash bar clamps. Once all parts are positioned without tension, tighten the bolts to the specified torque. As always, be sure to use thread locker. Now your T7 is protected and ready to hit the trail. You can order these crash bars and other products for your T7 over at TwistedThrottle.com. We'll see you next time.